friendly faces. So over the last week I've received a ton of messages of how I made the caramel that went into my cupcakes the other day. So I thought I'd just make you a video and show you.
Right, so you want to start off getting heavy bottom pots. The reason for that is your sugar burns easily, and that kind of pots just help with that. So I started to put my burner on a very low and slow medium heat and added a 1/4 cup of my sugar. Now this is just granulated sugar, and you can find the recipe. I will link it below, and you can find it on my website and what I did with all of these caramel I made lately. So as you can see in my video, I just shake it around. Do not go and stir this. This is a dry caramel, so you do not want to disturb almost that sugar. And it's a little bit tedious and it takes a little bit of time, but you just stay close to the stove, go on with something else. Just keep an eye on it, especially once it starts to caramelize, because then it kind of burn easily. But just start off by pouring a 1/4 of that amount of sugar in and wait it out. As you can see, it takes quite a lot of time, and I don't want to just forward this as fast as possible, but I just go in and shake it around. Now you can see the little bit of sugar there is almost like they're starting to clump up, and that's what you want. And you will see on the sides, if you look closely from the heat, the sugar will start to drop from the sides, and slowly, very slowly but surely, this caramel will get together. You just gotta wait it out. Right, now you will slowly start to see the sugar liquidizing, is that the right word? Forming a liquid at the sides usually first and work their way in. You just wait it out, and when it's almost done, you can go in with the second batch of your sugar. I did mine in 3 parts. It just melts a little bit easier for me. And then again, second part, wait it out. Don't go in there with a spoon and start stirring. You will crystallize your sugar there, and it will form clumps. This is a wet caramel. Don't do that. Just wait it out. I know it feels a little bit tedious, but it will be worth it in the end, I promise. So as you can see, it's slowly coming together again, and then I add the last bit. And now at this stage, you want to keep your eye on that caramel, because right now it's starting to go fast. Leave it. Don't go in with a spoon. Just leave it. Watch it go by itself, all by itself. You want to just